So I hope you can hear me. I got my coal stove blaring away right over my shoulder, but I'm gonna get working on this quarter. You can see it's pretty rusty here and down here around the front. I have the patch panel for it right here, so I'm gonna get working on that. Get it cut out and get it all ready and get the new one ready to weld in there. And so yeah, I'll give you a little update as we go along. So yeah, got the old one cut off and got the new one fitted on there. Thank goodness it's got this piece of molding that covers this up, because fitment's not terrible, but a little bit of a fitment issue up here I'll have to work out. But yeah, it's on there, ready to be welded. I'll have to be real careful not to put too much heat in it and warp all this. I'll have to maybe hammer and dolly this a little bit, put a little bit of a bevel on the piece on the car. I was gonna actually use the flange and flange the car, but I couldn't fit it in. Couldn't fit the flange tool in up here because the center wheelhouse is so close. I'm debating, this piece here was pretty rusty, so I'm debating about cutting a piece out and putting a piece in from about here. Putting a piece in from about here down. It'd be really easy to make, but I think I'm gonna hit it with some rust mort. I ground it down. I think I'll hit it with some rust mort and see how it turns out. If it cleans it right up, then I probably won't make a new one. It's not terrible. It's not rusted all the way through. It's less than ideal, but I think it'll be okay. All this this huge pile of dirt was down inside the quarter there. It was full up to here. So that's why I think that's why it rusted. But yeah, so I'll just keep knock the burr off the inside of that. That'll probably help my fitment a little bit. But yeah, I'll just keep plugging away at it. I'm gonna hit it with some rust mort, see if that kills it, that knocks the stuff off. We'll go from there, but it's not terrible. Like I say, it's a little less than ideal, but like I've said from the get-go, we ain't building Swiss watches here. We're just building a 1986 Mustang. So yep, I will shoot a little bit of an update when I have something to update. Well, here's the fitment of the panel. It's all clamped on there, ready to be welded. Got the shop dog out here with me today. Yeah, got the holes in it. It's all together. I'll just have to keep moving the clamp down, make sure it stays, good and tight on there. Got it around the back. Everything's well through primered. I didn't end up changing the inside piece that I was talking about doing before. It really wasn't that bad once I got it all ground down, and I hit it with some rust neutralizer, and looked pretty good. So then I hit it with a little POR 15 to maybe kind of stop the rust, and it's plenty strong enough. So didn't really think I needed to change it. So yeah, she's all there, ready to be welded in. So here we go. So yeah, there it is. One more thing checked off the list. It's all welded on there. Got the piece of molding on that covers up the repair. You know, all spot welded there. Spot welded around the back. If the camera would focus, there it is. Spot welded along the bottom. But yeah, I hit it with some hit it with a DA sander to knock the sticker off and smooth everything out, and I just shot some etch primer on it. Gonna end up pushing this outside for a few days here coming up, and I just figure it'll cut down on the surface rust. We'll end up DAing it all back off, put some epoxy primer on with some body filler over top of it. But there's the repair. And primer's still wet. Yeah, there's the repair. It's good. It'll stay on there, and the body filler will smooth it all out, and then, like I say, the molding covers it up. But yeah, pretty soon it'll be be covered with rubber up through there from all the burnouts we're going to be doing. You take a look in there, you can see the Illusion Sour Apple on the Steeda 5-link 2 upper control arm. It's got eye-box springs and I don't know what kind of control arms, but all that'll be going bye-bye here in the future. Just had to show my oldest boy what the green parts on the bench were, so I threw one underneath there. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button. Trying to get the channel built up here, and got some pretty neat projects coming up in the future. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and as always, thanks for watching.